It's another wonderful day here in Ghana, West Africa, and I'm here at our final school, and we've done 4 schools in 4 different regions, and Akoma International Academy has been a very special place since our first connection in October 2011, and we have done wonders over the years, and over the last few years, our sister Pepe has done a wonderful job as far as incorporating a lot of wonderful things that she has done in our life to make it work, where she has gotten a lot of sponsors and donors, and I wanted to just share some powerful words on what she has done over the years and how she can influence you to help us grow.
Okay, greetings family. First of all, it's not just me, it's the collective. So my passion has led me to involve in others. Instead of a regular birthday party every year, I do a fundraiser. All funds raised are donated to the schools for sponsorships for these children. This year we were able to raise $3,900 US for sponsorship for 13 children. It just cost $300 US a year. You get $350. So some of you who gave me $300 owe me some money. But I'm just saying, instead of doing something that you normally do, like buying an extra cup of coffee, just put that money aside, and the result will be an investment in these children's education. So on behalf of all the donors from the DMV area, too many to mention, but they're on the website, we say thank you for your help and your support of Akoma International Academy.
I want to pass it off to our sister Ibacus.
Well, I just want to say thank you, Madai, Super Pa. We can't say thank you enough on behalf of the children, on behalf of Sister Shakesha. Sister Shakesha, you know, is kind of low-key. She will not talk about what her needs are. She manages in school on a shoestring budget. And what happens with sponsorship very often is that people will take a child and sponsor for 1 year or 6 months, and then they stop sponsoring. Now we explain to people that yes, our folks are coming out of America. That doesn't make us rich. But we ask that people who sponsor try and make a commitment to see your child through for as long as you can. And we do overstand when it comes to a point that you can't. Mortgage, rent, insurance, and all that crazy stuff that we have to do in America definitely takes priority. But you need to know that the contributions that have been made to date have gone a long way to educating these children who would otherwise never have an opportunity to go to school. This is not a government school. It is not a school for profit. Everything that comes into this school goes into the education of our children. So we thank you for all of these wonderful gifts. This school, they got their first black doll babies from Omani's Investment and Tourism.
Yes.
I'm okay.
The other thing,
It's not about me.
the other thing that makes our school unique is that we teach the history of Africa and African people, both at home and abroad. So our children can talk to you about Marcus Garvey, they can talk to you about Dr. Clark and Nkrumah. They know themselves and their history. We don't observe Christmas necessarily, but we do Kwanzaa.
Excellent.
We have children here that are Christians, Muslims, and traditions. We cover everyone's religion so that no one is left out. All right? So these are some of our children. Like I said, we have 200 children.
30. He's 30.
200.
Oh, it's always growing. It's always growing. So we need continued support.
And as the school grows, so grows the assistance that the school needs. So I thank all of you very much. Your help is certainly more than appreciated. May the ancestors, the universe, bless all of you bountifully and may it be better for you today than it was yesterday, and better for you tomorrow than it was today. Ashe.
Ashe.
Appreciate you, Amicus, and what I want to add to that, Sister Seth, we also collected some additional donations, and we gave it to the principal. And I want you to,
On the chair. Somebody should pass it to us.
and I want to
Over there. John, give me that bowl of money. The bowl with the money in it. Behind you on the
so we
chair.
can